Hi there! I'm Marissa Jenkins, and today we're going to be talking about playground maintenance tips. Keeping playground equipment properly maintained is essential to the safety of the children who play there. Playground maintenance is crucial for many reasons. It keeps children and families safe. It protects your investment in your play equipment. It limits any potential liability, and it improves the play experience for those who use it. Regular inspection of playground equipment is important, and it's equally important to look for hazards on the playground property as a whole. During equipment inspection, you should look for broken or missing equipment, secure anchors, barriers, and panels, loose or missing bolts and clamps, heavily worn moving parts such as swing parts, cracked or broken plastic parts, and rusted, worn, or corroded metals. During grounds inspection, you should look for broken glass, trash, or other debris, problems with playground surfacing, user modifications such as rope swings, vandalized, broken, and defaced property, infestations such as wasps or hornets, and tripping hazards such as exposed tree roots. If you detect safety hazards during your inspection, record, repair, and replace the equipment as quickly as possible to reduce the chance of injury and liability. Accurate and organized record keeping is the basis of an effective maintenance program. Taking note of problems, as well as the corrective actions, and keeping the records organized is vital to keeping kids safe and keeping your organization safe from injury-related lawsuits. Spotting playground maintenance issues early means a safer play area for everyone. Remember, a well-maintained playground is a cornerstone of community safety and joy. Visit our website for maintenance checklists, guides, and expert solutions. I'm Marissa Jenkins with PlaygroundEquipment.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.